Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your private keys from Trust Wallet step by step clearly. To recover your private keys from Trust Wallet, open the app on your mobile device. Enter your wallet password if prompted. Once you're inside the app, navigate to the wallet screen. Select the wallet that you wish to recover. Tap on the settings icon, usually located at the top right corner. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Wallets. Select Wallets to view your list of wallets. Tap on the wallet you want to recover. Now, look for the Export Private Key option. You may need to authenticate yourself again to proceed. Once authenticated, your private key will be displayed. Take care to secure this private key as it grants access to your wallet. Consider copying it to a secure location, such as a password manager. Do not share your private key with anyone. If you're planning to recover on a new device, install Trust Wallet on that device. Open the Trust Wallet app on your new device. Select I already have a wallet during the setup process. Paste or type your private key into the provided field. Follow the prompts to complete the recovery process. Your wallet should now be accessible on your new device. Always remember to keep your private key safe and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.